Introducing the FiberCablesDirect 125M OM4 LC fiber patch cable, the ultimate solution for high-speed, low-loss data transmission. This 125-meter duplex multimode jumper is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for various environments. Built with Corning 5125 optical fiber core and cladding, it ensures superior performance and durability. The ceramic ferrule LC connectors provide reliable connections, and the black jacketed jumper with zip cord enhances its robustness. Ideal for demanding applications in education, corporate, military defense, government, healthcare, finance, and commercial sectors. With a high bandwidth capacity, this laser-optimized multimode fiber, OM4 cable supports 100 gigabits Ethernet, ensuring fast and efficient data transfer. The core diameter of 50 microns and cladding diameter of 125 microns allow for optimal light containment through total internal reflection, acting as an effective waveguide. The cable specifications include a modal bandwidth of 3,500–4,700 MHz at 850 nanometers 1,300 nanometers, supporting fast Ethernet 100 base, FX up to 2,000 meters, 1 gigabit Ethernet 1,000 base, SX up to 550 meters, 10 gigabits Ethernet 10G base, SR up to 400 meters, 40 gigabits Ethernet 40G base, SR4 up to 150 meters, and 100 gigabits Ethernet 100G base, SR10 up to 150 meters. This FiberCablesDirect patch cable is engineered for high-speed performance, optimized for 850 nanometers VCSELs, and supports higher speeds with a bandwidth of 3,600–500 MHz at 850, 1,300 nanometers, compatible with personal computers and other devices. It is the go-to choice for anyone looking to enhance their network infrastructure. Durable construction and commercial-grade materials ensure longevity, backed by a 100% lifetime warranty. Whether you're setting up a new network or upgrading an existing one, the FiberCablesDirect 125M OM4 LC fiber patch cable provides unmatched reliability and performance. Its versatility and high-speed capabilities make it the best choice for various applications, ensuring your data transmission is fast, secure, and efficient.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.